Fiber optic installation. Fiber optic installation offers high-performance networking, delivering greater bandwidth capacity and less electromagnetic interference compared to copper cables. There are different types of fiber optic network installation, from FTTP to shared fiber, each with its own benefits. Fiber optic cables can be installed outdoors or indoors depending on your needs, and the network installers can help develop a roadmap for your installation. Fiber optic cables are essential for internet, telecommunications, cable TV, and even military and space applications. The network installers follow best practices for safe and efficient fiber optic cable installation, ensuring a reliable network. Understanding the bend radius of fiber optic cables is crucial to prevent damage and maintain data transmission quality. Stress-free method of installing fiber optic cables using a pressurized blowing system. Color codes are used in fiber optics to identify components and aid in cable splicing.